from all the good things that I've heard about Tatti's lashes, I wanted to try the individual clusters. These are the knot-free version. I want to preserve my natural lashes, so I prefer to use knotless. So yeah, these are the Haute Couture individual cluster lashes by Tatti. These are 20D volume lashes. And these are what they're looking like. You can see they're jet black, and actually they are very, very full. The length is from 10 to 14. I wanted to go old school today and use Tatti's regular lash adhesive glue. If you're used to applying lashes, you know, like if you want a more graduated look, then you might have to go from long to short to short is to short. Usually when I'm applying my lashes individually, I usually just use all long. I'm going to be using from the 14 to the 12 millimeter. I noticed that it's not like a chore to get the lash away from that sticky strip, which is always a good thing. There's been plenty of times when I have seemingly got some great lashes, and when I try to take them out of the box, because they're so stuck down in there, it's hard to get them out, so they end up getting damaged. Actually loving these. They're nowhere near as dramatic as I expected them to be. They're super uber light. Some people might prefer to put like a shorter lash in here. I don't like anything too close to the inner corner or the outer corner, because those are the two corners that usually I get quite irritated in. So this is the final look. I really like these lashes. I really love these lashes. I have bought something similar on Amazon before. The issue for me was that they never seemed to be full enough. I love the fact that these, because they're quite dark, and they're dark but they're also full clusters, and as a result they really frame and define your eyes and the shape of your eyes. These lashes, as full as they are so light. When you're applying them, you almost don't need to apply too much pressure because they just connect. So I'm absolutely loving these lashes. I use two 14s at both ends and the rest are 13s. The adhesive I was concerned about initially, just because with adhesive you don't want it to be too runny, you don't want it to be too thick, you don't want it to take too long to dry. It does take a while for the lash glue to get tacky, but even when it's not in its tacky stage, it's actually really easy to use, like really easy to work with this glue. Once I squeezed it out into container, it took quite a while for it to dry out, which for me, I feel like it's a good thing, because it meant that I got real use out of the glue and I was able to get both of my eyes done. Always make sure you test like a product, a glue, an adhesive out before you put it onto your eyes. But I found this glue to be very gentle. There were no sort of fumes or anything like that. Very easy to work with and affordable. So I'm loving these. These might just be my new go-to. I'm not even going to lie to you guys, because I feel like they give me the look, just the look that I'm looking for. They're full, they're light, they're fluffy. There's no kind of crispiness that I was really concerned about, because I feel like sometimes the more dramatic the lash is supposed to be, or the darker the look, or the fuller the cluster, the more kind of crunchy and spidery it can look when you apply them. I love the fact that these lashes just look so fluffy and so natural, despite still sort of like playing up the eyes. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, give the kid a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed. Subscribe for the ride, honey. Turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss another video, vlog, review from me, your girl, Camellia X. And yeah, I'll see you in another one. Bye.